Are you looking for how to make money online? Working from home, becoming less stressed and more flexible? You're at the right place. All this can be accomplished by selling just digital product for free. I mean the product you do not even own them. In fact, a lot of people like John Crestani have been making more than $10,000 every single month by selling just digital product online. I guess you should know him because he's a public figure. You can do it too, after watching this video till the end. So, keep watching. Welcome to our channel. We post videos every week about how you can make money online, working from home, breaking free from your 9-to-5 jobs and living your dream lifestyle. Today I will be teaching you step by step, from start to finish, how to make up to $10,000 every single month by selling just digital products online for free, with zero investment and experience. This lesson contains 5 steps, such as 1. The secret and the benefits of online businesses today. 2. What kind of digital products do you need to sell quickly online? 3. Where can you find the products for free? 4. Where can you place the product for sales? And, finally, 5. How to set up a payment method and start earning immediately. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified each time we post new video like this. Alright, with that being said. Step 1. The secret and the benefits of online businesses existing today. Before we dive deep into the main lesson, let's quickly have a little review on the secret and the benefits of online businesses existing today. Because you cannot start what you know nothing about. You must start from somewhere. You know, a couple of years ago, if you had told someone that you were working online, they would probably just nod and think, what a waste of time. Can't you find a real job? As freelancing and blogging were starting off, people who actually jumped this wagon early on were perceived as lazy, gullible and maybe even fools to think this will turn into something viable. But those are now people who own thousands and thousands of dollars worth of online businesses and brands. Today when you say you're working online, people usually say, oh, wow, good for you. They are probably envious a bit, as you must be making a ton of money sitting at home and do nothing. Because they now realize the benefits of working online, such as flexibility, lifelong learning, unlimited income, less stressed, no communicating, higher productivity, and so on. You can also claim the above benefits at the end of this video. There are so many options about making money online, including the ones which are scam and the ones which are legit. But if you are interested in exploring it, how you can become one of those lucky ones, this video will teach you one of the ways, which is selling digital products. And all you need right now is just a mobile phone or a computer with an internet access to get started. Selling online is the easiest activity to start with zero investment experience, as you will see it yourself right now. Step 2. What kind of digital products do you need to sell quickly online? Obviously, there are many categories of digital products and online courses available in the internet for free. You will only need to choose depending on your interest and niche, such as educational products, health and fitness products, digital marketing products, etc. Whatever is your niche, you choose. But I recommend you choose educational products and online courses because it sells mostly online, as people are looking forward to be educated in many different niches. You can also ease the opportunity and start making money online immediately. Step 3. Where can you find these digital products for free? This now one of my bonus for you. Cheers for you. You're not going to write any ebook or produce any online course or webinar. Just head over to Google and search idplr.com. This is a website that offers free digital downloads with resell right for online marketers. Not a lot of people know about this. You can sign up for free membership plan and download as many as digital products as you want depending on your niche. Then change some features like cover page, description, and the name of the author. Or better still, leave it there and resell them to make money. Another website that offers free digital downloads is openculture.com. You can also sign up to get access to thousands of online courses available there and resell them with your desired prices. Step 4. Where can you place this digital products for sales? Did you know there are many platforms as e-shopping? Available for selling digital products for free. The following below are the few examples. 1. Amazon.com. As the largest online store, Amazon is certainly a desired place to sell your ebooks, as you get access to the massive international audience. The company takes approximately 30% of each sales, although Amazon restricts users from some parts of African countries, such as Nigeria, Cameroon, and so on. But don't worry, because I got another option for you. 2. Payhip.com. The platform offers various types of digital materials including ebooks, and the charger of up to 5% is needed per transaction. The service enables you to create your landing page, share buttons, coupons, affiliate programs, and so on. You can use Payhip for free from any part of the world, including all the African countries. The following features like good and catchy products title, short and concise description, good display of cover page, are the tips to succeed in Payhip and make more sales. 3. eJunkie.com. Here's another online service to host and sell your digital products with an option to create sales pages, discounts, packages, etc. You can also sign up to eJunkie for free and experience it yourself. 4. Smashwords. The platform enables you to publish your ebooks on the platform and/or distribute it through the partners. You get to keep 80% of fee from your sales through Smashwords, and 60% of your sales conducted through other distributors. Honestly, I love their operations. It's really less stressed. Finally, step 5, my favorite, how to set up a payment method and start earning immediately. This section refers to the process of receiving payment from your online activities. The major payment method conducted by all these above listed platforms is via PayPal account, and not a lot of people know how to create a successful business PayPal account that works. But if you don't know how to set up a successful business PayPal account, don't worry. Let's learn how we can set up a successful business PayPal account that can send and receive money to your local bank right now. Go to Google, search paypal.com, click on sign up, then click on business section. Fill in your required necessary information. Click on continue. You can also link your credit card for payment immediately. By doing that, log into your PayPal account, which you just created. Click on payment section, then click on link card. Then fill in your card details, and click on link card. But if you're from Nigeria, this above method of creating a successful PayPal account will not work for you. So, click on the link in the description below and watch this video to learn yours differently. You enjoyed this video, didn't you? If you do, please click the like button and comment below to know what you think. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time we post new video like this. Check out the link in the description to our video to watch next and our #1 recommended ways to make more money online. We love you.